Once there lived a woodcutter in a village in Arabia. His name was Alibaba. He was very poor. One day he was cutting the trees beside a mountain nearby. Suddenly he heard some hoofing sound. So he climbed up the tree to watch seriously and carefully. There he saw 40 men riding on the horse's back and went towards the mountain, raising dust on their way. All of them wore masks on their faces. He thought they must be thieves. He watched carefully what they were doing. They all stopped before the mountain. One of them must be the chief, got down from the horse and walked towards a huge rock in the mountain. He stretched his hands and called "Open CC." The rock slowly moved to one side with a noise of friction. There was a narrow path in the mountain. Alibaba found that it was a cave. All the thieves got down from the horses and carried heavy bags on them back inside the cave. After all of them went inside, the door closed. Alibaba watched it with anxiety. Some time after, they all came out of the cave and rode back as they came. The door closed again after the 40 thieves came out. Alibaba got down from the tree and walked slowly near the rock. He also stretching his hand and called loudly, "Open CC." Suddenly the door of the rock opened, slowly. Alibaba went inside the cave. The door closed again. In the center of the cave, Alibaba saw a lot of precious gems and jewels on a small stage. Gold and silver coins were also found everywhere there. On the other side he saw diamonds in an open box. Alibaba was in wonder, and he didn't see such amounts of wealth at a place. He was stunned for a while, but in a very short time he filled a sack with as much as he could and returned home. Alibaba showed his wife the sack full of precious gems and gold. His wife was shocked for a while on seeing the wealth. He said, "Our worst days come to an end from today." His wife replied, "We have become very rich in a single day." He wanted to weigh the wealth he had in the sack. His wife went to borrow the weighing machine from Qasim, Alibaba's rich brother. As Qasim's wife was a suspicious woman, she wanted to know the reason why she got the machine. So she applied some gum at the bottom of the weighing machine. Alibaba's wife brought the machine and weighed the coins. When she was weighing, a gold coin stuck at the base. She returned the machine to Qasim's wife without knowing that a coin was under the machine. When Qasim's wife saw the coin under the machine, she and Qasim became jealous. As Qasim was a wicked and greedy man, he wanted to know the secret of Alibaba's wealth. Qasim learnt the secret from Alibaba. He went to the mountain. Standing in front of the cave, he said loudly, "Open CC." The door opened. After he entered in, the door closed again. On seeing the wealth, he shouted in joy, "All are mine from now." He quickly filled his sack and came near the door and said, "Open CC." But the door didn't open. "Open CC," he said again, but the door did not move. Qasim had forgotten the words "Open CC" to open the rock door. So he got stranded inside the cave. He tried again and again, but in vain. After some time later, the 40 thieves came to the cave. They entered the cave and found Qasim inside the cave with a sack full of gold. "What? A new thief inside! Cut his head," the chief ordered in a high voice when they came out. They killed Qasim and threw him away outside the cave. As he did not come back to his house till the evening, his wife got worried. He went to Alibaba's house and asked for help. He went near the cave. He saw the body of his brother near the rock door. He cried, "Oh God, why were you so greedy?" He took the body home. His wife thought that it was the punishment given by God for her greediness. Alibaba murmured something and wept for his dead brother.